everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two, and it is going to be a birthday theme. So come on with me, guys. Now the colors that I'm going to be using is going to be blue and yellow. And you can add a touch of gold, guys. Okay, so as you can see here, I set up a little teapot vignette, and I also placed my birthday cake in this area right here because right after dinner, I'm going to be cutting my cake. So this video is a part of a collaboration called TABLESCAPE Tuesdays. TABLESCAPE Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's my favorite time of the week. So I am your main host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now I have two guests that are coming in, and one of them is Denise, Glam Style Living, and then I also have Jubilee. Now I do have a special guest that's also joining us today, and her name is Art with Connie. So we do have a painter and artist that's coming in today. I am so excited. I cannot wait. Okay, so if you guys haven't been over to any of these ladies' channels, I just strongly suggest you go there. They are great content creators, and they're just so beautiful. And they showed up today to help celebrate my birthday. Amen. Now, as in all collaborations, we practice YouTube etiquette. So let's get started, guys. Now let's start over here with the runner. That came from Hobby Lobby. The vase in the center was a thrifted item. The greenery came from the Dollar Tree, and the tulips came from Michael's. So the candles and the candle holders, they came from the Dollar Tree. Then we have this whole tea set going on over here, guys. That was all thrifted, and the tray, though, came from the Dollar Tree. Then we have my cake there, and the dome of flowers I created with Dollar Tree items. Now I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and set the table. Those placemats came from the Dollar Tree, and those mirrored chargers, I got those at the thrift store, and they were a great find. So I absolutely love this dinnerware. I thrifted it and it is gorgeous. The champagne glasses came from Home Goods. The water glasses were thrifted items. So the flatware came from Party City, and those beautiful gold napkins, they came from the Goodwill. And also the napkin rings, those were gifted to me. Now let's head on over to the reveal. So I think everything came out absolutely amazing. I'm so happy. I do want to take a moment and thank each and every one of you who participated in this collaboration to help me celebrate my birthday. It is amazing. Thank you so much. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.